morning student. I am Mr. D.K. Ojha. Today I am going to start a new topic of English. The name of the topic is The Fun They Had. This lesson is written by Isaac Asimov. In this lesson, Asimov wants to spread the message for all the students about the real book. This story is very interesting, and I think if you will learn, if you will see, if you will listen the story, that will very impressive for all. First of all, we have to know something about the author. This lesson, The Fun They Had, is written by Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his works of science fiction and popular science. Asimov was a prolific writer who wrote or edited more than 500 books and an estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. Asimov wrote hard science fiction. Let's start the summary of The Fun They Had. Tommy finds a book and together with Margie, they compare and contrast their present school with a school from the past. Tommy thought it was a real waste books printed on paper and being thrown away after reading. Margie was 11 years old and Tommy was 13. Margie hated school. The geography teacher administrated test after test. Margie scored poorly and her mother consulted the county inspector. Margie hated putting homework in the slot, which she worked in a pin code, and the teacher gave her marks for it. The inspector showed the geography sector which he left was geared too fast and said Margie's progress was satisfactory. Margie had hoped that her geography teacher would be taken away as Tommy's history teacher had been taken away when she blended out in history. Once both the children discussed that the book was about a school centuries ago with a regular man teacher who explained things to students and gave them homework and asked questions. Children were too special buildings to learn. Margie's mother called her to go to a school. Margie's school was next to his bedroom, and the mechanical teacher taught her daily except on Saturday and Sunday. She was going to teach her fraction in arithmetic that day. As Margie put her homework in the slot, she thought about old schools, students playing, talking, and studying together, and the teacher who were people. It must have been all fun. Margie thought that the kids loved being in the old school and how they must have had fun. इसके बाद मैं इस लेसन का सारांश हिंदी में बताने जा रहा हूँ। टॉमी को एक पुरानी पुस्तक मिली। वह मार्गी के साथ दोनों पुराने स्कूल की तुलना नए स्कूल से करने लगे। टॉमी ने सोचा कि पुस्तक छापना, पढ़ना और फिर फेंक देना ये यूजलेस और फिजूल खर्ची थी। मार्जी 11 वर्ष की व टॉमी 13 वर्ष के थे। टॉमी ने मार्जी को बताया कि पुस्तक विद्यालयों के बारे में भी थी। मार्जी स्कूल से नफरत करती थी। भूगोल की शिक्षिका बार बार जांच परीक्षा लेती रही और मार्जी के अंक कम आते चले गए। उसकी मां ने उसे इसके लिए काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर से संपर्क किया। उसने भूगोल को धीमा किया। अब मार्गी पढ़ाई में ठीक चल रही थी। मार्गी ने सोचा कि टॉमी की अध्यापिका की तरह उसकी भूगोल की अध्यापिका को भी हटा देंगे, क्योंकि टॉमी इतिहास में कमजोर हो गया था। दोनों पुराने स्कूल की चर्चा करते रहे कि पहले स्कूल में लोग पढ़ाया करते थे। वह छात्रों को कक्षा में समझाते थे तथा गृह कार्य भी देते थे। मार्गी की मां ने उसे बुलाया कि स्कूल का समय हो गया है। विद्यालय उसके सोने के कमरे के कक्ष के साथ था तथा मैकेनिकल अध्यापिका पढ़ाती थी। वह गणित के गुणनखंड सिखा रही थी। मार्गी अपना गृह कार्य स्टॉल में रखते हुए सोच रही थी कि पुराने स्कूलों के छात्रों का बातें करना, खेलना, अध्यापकों से पढ़ाना कितना रोचक रहा होगा। इस प्रकार वे लोग नए और पुराने विद्यालय के बारे में चर्चा करने शुरू किए थे और मार्गी और टॉमी दोनों अपने पुराने स्कूल को अच्छा और नए स्कूल को बुरा समझने लगते थे, क्योंकि पुराने स्कूल में सारे बच्चे एक साथ बैठ करके पढ़ते थे। होमवर्क भी एक ही जैसा दिया जाता था, खेलते भी एक ही जैसा थे, जबकि नए स्कूल में ऐसा नहीं था। अंततोगत्वा दोनों ने यह निर्णय लिया कि पुराना स्कूल जो है नए स्कूल से बहुत अच्छा था। Understand this lesson well, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt please write in the comment box. Thanks a lot for watching this video.